So this LANDTOP Quick Connect adapter for your 3-point hitch connects up to your tractor in 3 places. You run your 2 base arms into the gap here and run the pin through. They give you this big stout pin. So you do that on both sides. Then your top link, which on this tractor would go from here up to here, connects up. They don't give you a pin for that because your top link, you probably already have a pin. And then your quick connector sort of transfers that 1, 2, 3 connection. So you have 1, 2, and 3. The top is just the hook. You just hook it on. And then these guys are controlled by the handles. So you basically, when the unit comes down, it'll just slot right through there with the spring, but it won't come up until you release the handle. So you got to handle it on both sides. It's also got the option of a simple trailer hitch. It's not like a huge rated hitch. Like you're not going to put 20,000 pounds on here necessarily, but it's got a decent short 2-inch receiver, also not a 3-inch receiver. You can see as far as the construction goes, there's some welds on here. You do have a triangular gusset, both front and back, just to keep this thing from racking. It is very similar to some of the other quick attach adapters out there. It just allows you to not have to futz with your 3-point hitch stuff. Obviously here I still need to connect that top link to get this thing going. And it means you can run a trailer on it and you can run any quick attach connections with those 2 connections at the base. Easy to take on and off. LANDTOP, these guys, I think they sell off Amazon as well, but they just make all kinds of like beers for your hay bales, all kinds of basic tractor attachments and adapters.